Hi guys, Cherish the Misty Painter here, and yes, I'm getting over a cold, so my voice is a little different. I am doing a surfboard today. I got this from Joann's. It's ready to hang. You can hang it any which way you want. You can hang it the long way or this way. I think I might end up painting it sideways, but I wanted to just show how long it was for the beginning of the video. My sand will be the unbleached titanium by Artist Loft mixed with Deco Art 24 karat gold. My waves are going to be this Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol and water only. The rest of my colors are the ultramarine blue by Amsterdam. It is mixed with the white to tone it down. And then I mixed a little bit of a silver iridescent paint in there by Atelier. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a shimmery look. And then I have this blue gold iridescent by Pouring Masters. This stuff creates crazy cells on its own. You don't add water, you don't add anything to it, so it's perfect for water. And then my favorite color of all time is the iridescent blue green by Pebeo. I love this color. It's so tropical. So those are my colors, and wish me luck on this one. This is going to be a challenge.
just a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Okay, I love it. I absolutely love it. I am going to take a look at the top though. I feel like maybe the top might be missing something, so let me move it down a little bit. Can you see the top now? Yeah, you can. I don't know. I mean, I have so much going on. Maybe I need to leave it alone. Yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. All right, I am done. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's these little weird drops in some places. There is no silicone in anything. Like I said, that Pouring Masters ready to pour paint is just crazy with cells. No matter what you do, it has tons of cells. It's that gold iridescent in it, I believe, that does that. So for this effect, it works out great. This is, I absolutely love this. I hope it dries like this. So stay tuned for the dried results. Thanks for watching. I can't even tell you guys how much I love this surfboard. As soon as I posted this on my Facebook page, I got commissioned to do 2 more. So I will be working on those very soon and maybe do more of a slanted design on it. But that Pebeo really had some awesome shimmer to it and it dried pretty cool. So stay tuned for the next ones.